Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So this weekend we are checking some things off our bucket list, and we are going to be putting together our fall backyard bonfire today. So I'm getting ready to whip up a batch of chili, and we're going to be setting up a little table, getting our bonfire outside, our fire pit put together. Got a couple of little hay going on with some decorations, got a couple of mums and pumpkins, and I'm hoping to find my potato sacks. I have a couple of potato sacks, so hopefully me and the girls can get out there and get a race going. Not gonna be anything big going on today. It's just me and the fam, the kids, husbandito. It's just us. We're gonna be home chilling, but we're definitely going to get those things checked off the bucket list. So stay tuned, hang out with us today, and just enjoy this fall bonfire backyard party. It's just like your last opportunity to hang outside and enjoy the weather before it gets too cold. Today is a chilly one. We had like a cold front come through, so the temperatures are down a little low. It's just a perfect day for a good bowl of chili and some outdoors. Gonna have some s'mores going on. Just stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got the chili going, the cornbread is done. I'm outside trying to rearrange the yard, seeing how I want things to be set up. I'm thinking about letting the hay stay right here I got a couple of pumpkins out there and some mums. The weather is amazing. The leaves are just dropping like crazy in our backyard. It's really like fall vibes today. Fall is in the air for sure. So I have a couple of more things to do to set up inside, and I'll be done with the food prep. I would just continue moving things around out here, getting things set up. We're gonna be kicking things off at 6:30, so I still have some time. I just wanted to check back in, give you guys a little update on what's going on. Got my little setup going on out here. So I'm gonna keep working at it so that I can shower and just chill before 6:30. So just keep on hanging out with us, guys, and let's enjoy this bonfire party. The trees are dancing. Wind is blowing. Fall is in the air for sure. Look at my flag. So we got that going. Got a little bonfire right here. I'm still moving things around out here. Want this little stump to be like a little side table for a drink or something. Then I'm gonna go grab some blankets. So I'm out in my garage looking for a couple of things. Trying to find my potato sack so that we can have a potato sack race. But I took him to a birthday party and now I am not quite sure where I put them. So I'm about to dig through here and see what I find. I'm checking back in with you. The chili is looking good. I'm gonna let y'all have a little peek inside and see what the chili is looking like. I have it on the buffet warm setting right now in my crock pot. So let's have a peek. Chili is looking good. I've already tasted it and it tastes good. Didn't need to adjust any seasonings. It was just perfect. Fairly easy, very simple, especially when you're doing it in the crock pot. You just set it and forget it. So I set it for 4 hours and it was done probably around 3.5, and I turned it off, and now I'm putting it back on warm because we're getting ready to have our guests arrive soon. So this is what my little setup is looking like for my chili bar. So we have our chili in the crock pot. I just have it on the warm setting, on the buffet setting. Then I have the bowls that our guests are going to be using. I put our spoons in this little mason jar cup so they can get a spoon from there and use the ladle here to scoop out their chili. Then I have our chili bowls here, and I have some toppings. I have jalapenos, diced red onions, some cheddar, some cute little decor going on. So I got pumpkins and olives. Then I did this green goddess dip with some celery, cucumber, and carrot. Another little pumpkin for decor. Then I did corn chip or cornbread, whatever they will prefer. Then I have a mum here, which isn't looking too happy. She's kind of sad. And then just another little pumpkin. I put a plate here if they want to put their cornbread on the plate. Then I'm going to do some infused water. So I put the fruit, and I have the spring water chilling in the refrigerator, so I haven't added that yet. And then we have cups here for them to grab. So that is what my whole little chili bar setup is looking like. And that is it. It's not much because I'm not having really like a big gathering or anything. It's just us hanging out. We're gonna get ready to start our bonfire here soon. The girls have already showered and everything like that. Then I have some cupcakes that I'm gonna be bringing out here in a minute. So we will see you when we get the fire lit. All right, we got the fire stacked and ready. Got the fire starters. I told y'all stop buying fire starters. I'm gonna show y'all how good these jokers light up. Got our blankets. It's about to go down. Bonfire. Woo! Fall bonfire. It's getting started. It's getting ready.
Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! This is hard. That's green. I'm ready for the green.
We got our wood stacked and ready. It's pretty breezy out here. And we got our blankets. Very careful. Yeah, exactly. They on the hay. All right, I want you to sit down. Let me take a picture of you though. This way. Hold on. He's going. Toilet paper roll. All right, it's chili time. Time to make me a bowl of some chili. Got my chili bowl. I don't need much. That's probably a lot. Got me a couple peppers, some onion, and some cheese. And I'm gonna get some corn chips. Alright guys, bonfire and chili bar was a success. We had a good time. We stayed out there until there was no more wood to burn. It was a very cool night, so tonight was the perfect time to do it. The leaves were falling, it was breezy. We had like a cold front come through, so the temperature was perfect. It was a really good time. Only downfall was I had misplaced our potato sack, so we couldn't do the potato sack race like I had intended. I had taken those to a birthday party and then must have packed it up in another box, another container, and I couldn't find it. I was running out of time looking for it. So definitely have to lay my eyes on those so that we could do that another time. But all in all, everything was a good time. Didn't get a lot of footage outside because it got dark very quick and I was just enjoying the fam. Thanks for hanging out with us today and we will see you in the next one. Bye guys.